Hi, thank you for visiting us today. My name is Kurt Clements and I am the president of the Envelope Printery located in Van Buren Township of Southeast Michigan. The Envelope Printery was founded by David Hamilton in 1985 and today employs nearly 90 highly trained employees and still operates as a family business. Our manufacturing and printing departments operate 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, manufacturing over 50 million open-end and open-side envelopes a month and imprints an additional 6 million in-stock envelopes. Our strength in envelope manufacturing are order sizes as small as 500 to millions. Our cutting department has over 2,000 solid body dies to satisfy your various die cut envelope sizes, and our web machines have adjustable profiles for a wide selection of sizes. The printing options we have are flexographic printing as we manufacture, or high quality lithographic printing either offline or on made up envelopes. We have over 500 flexible window panel cutters that are set up for quick changes, and if by chance a special one is needed, it can be delivered the next day. So whatever your order is, we have the proper workflow. The Envelope Printery and its core values are dedicated to envelope manufacturers, printers, inserters, and mailers with fast deliveries and competitive pricing. Our 75,000 square foot facility currently houses over $500,000 in raw materials and is armed with a fleet of state-of-the-art die-cut and web envelope printing and converting machines waiting for your orders. Our superior customer service department is ready to take your calls, emails, or faxes and solve your envelope needs. We are proud members of the Envelope Manufacturers Association and the printing industry of Michigan. It has been a pleasure servicing the envelope needs of Standard Register and Taylor Communications for the past 15 years. Thank you again for your time, and let us know how we can help you.